I've had this Video Micro microphone for quite a while now. Really great performance, and it doesn't require power, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about another set of batteries. One thing that I really hate about it is this dead cat or wind muff that it ships with. It's just huge. I mean, you have this small little microphone, and this is my Fuji X-T2. It just makes the size and form factor enormous. It basically defeats the whole point, right? So there's a couple things that I wanted to try. I picked them up on Amazon. One of them is this phone cover, and it's made of high density foam, and it just slips over the front, and it actually fits pretty well. It fits nice and snug, right? You guys can see, and it barely adds any, that's without it, barely adds any size. And then the second one I'm going to try is this little fuzzy furry cat, and this is more for like a lavalier microphone. It's a windscreen, just like a miniature size of this, and this one is a little harder to get on, so I'm probably going to do this off camera. I'm just going to stretch. It's like a little rubber band, and it's not going to cover the whole microphone. I can probably do it with on the camera. It's not going to cover the whole microphone. It's going to cover just the top, and I don't know how that's going to work. Now I'm no audio pro, but I know the microphone sits at the very front, but there is, I'm sure, a point to the back, and this fur cat is not going to completely cover that portion. So we're going to give it a try and see if any one of these two things will make a difference as far as competing with the one that ships with Rode. Hopefully, it's, even if it's not as good, hopefully it's almost as good, and then I can ditch this huge furry cat. So stay with me, and maybe we can find out together. So guys, let's go ahead and power up the fan a bit. Put it on high. There it goes. And this is the little furry. I'm going to go ahead and turn the microphone on now. This is the furry attachment on the Rode Micro. Now this is the foam attachment on the Rode Micro. This is bare. This is having nothing on the microphone. And this is the ginormous dead cat that comes standard with the Rode Micro. Well guys, I think you can agree that neither this high density foam nor the little mini fuzzy cat even came close to the performance for dampening the wind is the dead cat that ships with the Rode Micro. So I guess for now, I'm going to have to keep with it, but I'm going to continue to look for something better. If you guys know of anything for me to try, please leave it below in the comments, and maybe I'll find that perfect solution. Thanks for watching.